In this episode of Sailing Dark Angel, we move over to Black Point for a fresh view and a little breathing room. We tackle more of the lightning damage, visit the fish that has claimed our through hull, and stop to admire a starfish. Then we head to White Point for a swim, where a Remora latches onto us, and we raise a glass of shipwreck to 12,000 subscribers. If you like our videos, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. It's free for you and really helps our channel. What are we doing today, Captain Dave?
In theory, we're moving.
No, really?
Yeah, we've been here almost 4 weeks trying to repair lightning damage, and we've almost got all of our house electrical system working.
And where's here?
And this is a big major spot, which is near Staniel Key, which is where the parts get flown into. We're getting waked constantly by tour boats, and it's time to get out of here. And if we go to Black Point, you can do laundry, and I can keep working on diagnosing the electronics. Mm-hmm. It's a fairly safe run into Black Point. We know the way, so we don't really need all of our instruments for that little short jaunt.
And I gotta get laundry done, so...
And this is an opportunity to test our new jib.
Yep.
New to us.
We got a new jib, so we're gonna test the new jib. Yes, we are. And I'm excited about leaving finally, just getting someplace to do, even if it is to do laundry, because laundry's gotta get done, as we all know. Bye, big major spot. You were good for this little period of time that we were fixing things.
Sailing by feel.
Sometimes you just gotta.
I feel like the wind is...
So, where are we now, Captain Dave?
Black Point.
Black Point. We made it back to Black Point. I have to go over there and do laundry. Isn't that right, Captain Dave? Hey, crew check. And also the check on the bottom of the keel.
Right, yeah, look at that.
Gotta check that keel. Well, it's still on. It's still on.
Okay.
That's a bonus. And it's around it, so I guess it's okay.
Awesome.
Hardcore. Really good.
Excellent.
You know that little fish that's in that? It's still there. The little fish. He's coming everywhere with us. I should share Jim Rent.
Yeah, he's living in our through hull.
Like for real. He's going everywhere with that. I don't get it.
But we don't use that through hull.
I'm gonna check it again. Starfish. It's weird, you go down to the bottom, it's warm. And of course there's starfish. There's one there and one there. Last time I started checking out the starfish is when the shark came at me. So now I'm a little...
It's Calabash Bay, that's a long way from here.
Yeah, and this is Black Point Bay. So screw you, buddy.
There's no sharks at Black Point.
Yes, there is. They're right over there. Liar.
And Q sharks.
There's one piece of the compound that's sticking straight down, and I tried to see if it would come up. It's just sticking that straight down. It's like, what do you do? There's nothing you can do.
Yeah, it'll have to be ground off.
Yep, I was checking online to see what it would cost to get a haul out and bottom job in Luperon, DR, and it's reasonable.
Good.
It's not too bad.
Well, let's hope we can pull it together for them.
Yeah.
So one of the big things about lightning strikes is there's not so much your wiring that is at stake. Not in modern days, it's circuit boards. And every LED light is on a circuit board. It's a light emitting diode, it's not a light bulb. When you have a light like this strip light, this is on a light emitting diode board. And after it's struck, that's all that lights up. So it's very dark down here in the bathroom at night. Not great. Luckily, there is a spare light here. So I'm just gonna pop this out and replace it. It should only take a minute, but this is just one of the things that if we didn't have a spare light, then we'd have to jury rig something else and order one. It's crazy. And the moment of truth, and there's light. See, there's a bit of difference there. Next job.
Day drinking on the boat. Woo! What are we doing today, Captain Dave?
So the cabinet that I've installed the Multi-Plus in is the same cabinet I took the Magnum out of. They're both charger inverters, inverter chargers. And they both need really good ventilation. And the problem with this cabinet is, it is one of the places in the boat that has zero, count them, zero ventilation. No airflow, none. So we're gonna put a 12-volt fan in, just a little computer fan to give some air. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount it to this wall right here.
Are you gonna make it suck or blow?
Yep. This cabinet is ventilated down here. Needs some repairs and some cleanup, but everything on this boat does right now. There's our fan. I have another one if we need it later. We gotta run a wire to the battery compartment somewhere to get power. Got a drill, got a jigsaw, got banana bread. Let's get to it.
You pre-drilled the holes?
Pre-drilled the holes so that there'd be room to get the blade in for the jigsaw.
Okay, and this needs to be out of the way a little bit.
Fuck's the fan?
Right over here. Where you put it?
What's that got to do with anything?
Apparently nothing.
Pretty sure it blows this way, but
So what do you want it to do? Suck or blow?
I want it to suck out of that cabinet and blow into this one.
It is 32 degrees in here. It's a little warm, but we're doing it anyway.
Make sure when you're drilling holes, you stop before the thumb. That is the rule of thumb. Everything we're working with is freaking small. Didn't think I'd be used to that. Man, this getting weight is getting old. Holy shit!
Steady filming takes on a whole new meaning when you're getting weight like this.
Oh, it's just stupid. Bouncing us right in the goddamn boat. Newsflash, they don't care. Tour boat operators hate cruisers. Hate us. Hate. No joke. The hard part is getting the screws in, because you can't get down here with the freaking screwdriver.
So, it is screwed in. Now we have to wire it up.
And don't mix that up. It can't be screwed up and wired in. It has to be screwed in and wired up.
Okay, so how we do, Captain Dave?
The fan's wired in.
Yep, I can feel it moving.
I don't feel any air out here, but it's moving the air out of this cabinet. This cabinet here.
It's moving out through that way.
Yeah.
Out to there. Those grates there comes out. So now we can put the cover on this and not have it too much to worry about that overheating the new unit. Kapla?
For now, more pieces coming.
So, what are we doing today, Captain Dave?
We are leaving Black Point.
Bye, Black Point. It was really nice for the short stay that we were here. Got some groceries, got rid of garbage, all good. Oh yeah, and laundry has the best laundromat ever. Where are we heading to, Captain Dave?
We're going to White Point. See
Okay.
if the weather's going to be decent to hang out there for a few days before we have to make our way back to to Staniel Key to pick up a couple more packages of all of our burnt out stuff.
Yeah. We did a couple of tests today, and how did that go, Captain Dave?
Not well. Our instruments are very fried. So
Okay.
about $12,000 to $14,000 worth of instruments are fried.
We're passing Black Point now on our way to White Point. Gotta head around that little corner right there and then straight down that way. We would be sailing the jib, but the problem with sailing the jib right now is we will have the wind right on our nose. So you can't fly the jib when the wind is on the nose. So we're just gonna power over there, drop the anchor, and get on with our day.
We have made it to White Point, and this year, every time we come to White Point, which the first couple of seasons was like one of our very favorite anchorages, it's just been really crappy. The weather, the wind, the directions, we just could not get a decent day to anchor here. So we decided today we're going to bite the bullet and do it anyway. We got a little wee bit of swell, but it's just so nice here, we really wanted to check it out. We're facing southeast, which is odd because all the wind predictions are strictly east, which would be perfect. Great coverage here, but southeast brings in a swell. We decided we're going for it anyway. And now that we got the hook down, there is some sand over rock out here where we're anchored. So Lisa decided she's going to dive the anchor. And apparently I'm coming along for the ride, so in a private anchorage means no bikini.
Oh.
Finally in an isolated anchorage after like a month.
Yep. It's calm here though now. It's not bad at all. It was worse like earlier in the day. Did you want to dive it with me? Let's go dive it. Anchor check.
That looks good. What kind of fish is that? Anybody know? I think it's called a freeloader fish. A through-hull fish. We're not usually in water this deep. This is way deeper than usual for us. We're generally very shallow sailors. Ask anybody. Is that shipwreck?
Cheers. 12,000 subscribers. Cheers.